No lock off the sound, officer. I'm going like you take me for clone, officer. Hey, when the music not playing and the ghetto and the shots them are echo.
I say from here the voice I don't know King Breezy, the Rich Badness boss, represent with Just Vibes Radio. Fully Rich Badness.
Why 2020, man? Jaja, I better you got your bed, brother. Now my viewers, subscribers, who know the artist by the name of Was. The dog was saying, look off his son, officer. Yeah, man, him same one. Yeah, him same one, my viewers, subscribers. So watch you know. What does I find out out here say, yo, him get shut up. I'm family resident in Casa Park. And this is one breaking news. It is unclear as to his injuries at this time, but my ear say it's not serious. You get me, sir? He will survive. Now, me no know how much shot him get. This I hear say yo, him get shot up. I can't just drive up, ask you drive up, and be a shot start fire. I don't want to get it mixed up, because a whole heap of artist name Wasp. You see it, I think Intense Brother also by the name of Wasp. Female name is spelled W-A-H-S if I'm correct. But the Wasp we attack, I didn't want to do the song back about 10 years ago. We say, no lock up the sound officer. No go on like a tape man for clone officer. You get me? Good artist. You see it, good artist back then until now. You get me? Me just glad say yo, nothing no do me alright. Based on the information that I am hearing thus far, is that him will pull through, but him get couple shot. My viewers, subscribers, if we no see you 2020 are going so far, me can convince say yo, on a blind, we have some form of blindness or some form of disability, but me can't to understand life. You see it like 2020 is just not a good look for like everybody. I feel it. The poor, the rich, the less unfortunate. Everybody, all animals I feel it. Plants I feel it. Everybody I feel it. You get me? So what you know? You see, if you pull through this year and see we get close to December, if you pull through this year, brother, you have to thank God. You have to thank God, brother, because a whole heap of people are drop. Whole heap of people are drop your area. And not only coronavirus alone a kill people. You get me? Man, I kill people same way, and people are drop same way. So, Jano, just have to just protect on yourself on the the street and be militant, vigilant. Be aware of your surrounding. You see it, I better COVID catch me than a man take me cheap pants. You get me? But my viewers, subscribers, yeah, I was, as me say, good artists, you see it, and people are getting mixed up. Me see a bag of news are going on where people ask, I wonder if I Intense Brother or people are see what the artist name. You get me? Like, me not go bash nobody if them don't know him, but yeah man, now the same artist will sing Lock Off the Sound Officer. You said the artist them, because I kind of realize say people don't really remember say yo, are the artist that sing the song by the name of Unfair Officer. You get me? Which yo, I do you want good piece of song in a dance, every man a play it in a party, cause back then police a lock off party for everything. Wouldn't feel like no police a lock off party. Wouldn't feel like no a long time police a lock off party. So when the man dropped the song Lock Off the Sound Officer in 2010, it did run the place right through. So him same one, yeah man, I couldn't know. But him good, God fears and thing. You see it hope him pull through, and I hope this I show a whole heap of other artists say you wanna target, brother. You see it? Wanna target. So nobody feel say your people just want soon if you take on the picture alone. People want to take on the cheap points too, so wanna have to aware on the surrounding. You see it? A similar incident happened to Ryan King earlier this said year 2020. You get me? So they're on the guard and watching yourself. You see it? As me say, the artist I go pull through. It is unclear. Enough information is not out there at this time, so me don't want to come speculate. Me only can provide and say, you know, the dog a be like family resident, and a couple of them dog them a beat a one juice and I enjoy themselves same way. And I ask you pull up. You get me? Me no know if I him them come for, or if I him them come for, you now come here me say him them come for, because that's not my thing. A police fit come tell you that. Just know so the artist get chat up, but him I go good. Him I go good. Well, at least we hope say him good. You get me? And January. Whole heap of things are going, my people. Whole heap of things are going, like whole heap. So yeah, my viewers, subscribers, it's not the W-A-H-S Wasp or Intense Brother. It's a W-A-S-P, as I can see in the caption. The one that sing the song back in 2010. You get me? But if any more information is out there as to what really happened, you know me, I come make you know exactly what happened. I probably give my 2 cents depending on the situation. But yeah, Janu, like 2020, you're up and done, man. I want you. You're up and done, man, and go on your ways, man. Make 2021 care some better come give it. Be a phone you come with from your start, brother. You see it. Until next time, Just Vibes Radio. I'm out.